What sound does an RC car make?
Because they're rolled over.
Okay, Rogan, what sound does a 22 make? Okay, Blake, what sound does a 22 make?
Bang! Bang! Bang!
Okay, Caitlin, what sound does a horse make?
Nay! Nay!
Okay, Mandy, wait. What noise does a T-Rex make?
Ah!
Hey!
Ah! Okay.
What sound does a T-Rex make?
Okay, so if we're going for a T-Rex, be something where it's like. But if it's something more like a pterodactyl, it'd be like a.
Okay, what sound does a campfire make?